Well, at the end of day one, this is where we're at. We've got 2 tubes down the side. We have plastic down. We have end caps up, backstops. I've layered down water as thickly as I can. You don't want it to run. Once it runs, it starts making channels. So at the end of day one, that's all I want. I want enough water to keep the plastic from floating up, and enough that when it freezes, it's gonna freeze to the ground. And so that's what we're doing here. And you can see there's little pools of water. That's perfect. Right along my seam, I've got a nice pool. That's really good. I'm really happy with that. That's going to serve as a strong foundation. When it freezes solid, I can put a little bit more water over the top, but not a lot. We're going to do little by little. Otherwise, you're going to have problems. If you do just one sheet and it's watertight, you can fill the whole sucker up all at once. You don't have to worry about this layering thing. But I've got that seam, and so I'm doing little by little. Maybe I'll invest in the expensive plastic one year.